Let's talk about this bang section. So we are all under lockdown. Beauty salons are not open, barbershops are not open, nail salons, that's a whole other video. My bangs are long. So I'm going to show you how to do a bang trim and then a little perimeter trim. So I took my bang parting all the way back here. I have fine hair, but your bang section might just be like that part. So what I do is I comb all my bangs forward and then let the sides fall out. And now because my bangs are heavier, I tend to cut this section in half with my comb. I'm at my boyfriend's house. I'm in quarantine as well, and I don't have my professional scissors. I don't have my fancy clips, but these are just some scissors that my boyfriend had lying around, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit here. Now, this is what I recommend to my clients. I'm always recommending them to just point cut. You see me going in here? I'm going in just with my tips. I have it kind of elevated up to here, little by little, right? I wanna see where that's hitting, because I like my bangs on the longer side. And then I'm gonna bring in the side. So when you bring that in here, this is gonna kind of be a little bit longer. This is like the new Corona style, right? I mean, we've been doing this for years. Everyone cuts their hair in the bathroom. That's how I got inspired to do hair, actually, was cutting my own hair in all the different bathrooms I used to be in the 90s. So I think I'm into that section. Now keep in mind, my hair is curly, wavy. Hair dries, it shrinks when it dries. So it's gonna be shorter than what it is because it's a little damp now. So you don't wanna cut too much while it's wet, because when it dries, it will pop up. So, tip. Okay, so then we can kind of see this other section of bang. This, I think I'm gonna let her grow out a little bit and then start to cut. Give yourself enough room with your fingers too. So you can kind of see so you're not cutting off everything. I'm gonna cut into this a little bit more. So I think that's good for my bangs. So we'll let the bangs dry, dampen my hair a little bit. I'm just going to part my hair right down the middle back. Pull both of these sides forward. So what's gonna happen is when you put your hair to the back, you're gonna kind of have a point. Where do you want your length, right? And keep your head as straight as you can. You can just cut this like right on your body as well. Just a little elevated. I like my ends just to be a little bit more blunt, just because it's a little bit finer. Or if you have really thick hair, you probably want to point cut it more. So then for balance, you kind of want to feel both sides. So that like cleaned a lot up. Layers are a little bit more complicated. Bring everything up to a point on top of the head. Just kind of want to go in just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to bring everything back to the middle back section here and cut it. And then point cut. Again, these scissors are trash, so I'm just kind of cutting away as I can. You don't want to cut too much. You're just cutting the ends to kind of trim your hair up. Right? This back section. And forward so I can see it. I did. I just kind of cleaned up the edges here. But that little trim did wonders. And I love my bangs. See how I kept my bangs long? You don't have to cut tons off. It's like a nice little trim. I actually needed that. Ooh. All right, so now for my nails. Who's gonna help?